Hi everybody, myself is M. Manjunath Reddy, proprietor of Sai CAD. I welcome you all to today's topic, that is in Revit software, how can we set wall thickness and how can we apply different materials for inner face or outer face of the wall. Let's see that. So we are in a plan view, top view. I go to manage, I go to project units here. Length, it is in mm. I make sure that it is in mm units now. I say okay. I'll go back to architecture here. I go to wall. I click and drag here. One wall, done. Wall is done. Vertical wall is done. But I go to 3D view immediately. Here it is, top side 3D view. Wall is too heavy height. I click on this. Let me reconfirm this. Go to property. And wall height is right now actually unconnected height is 8000 mm. Let it be 3000 mm. I say apply and close this. Done. Wall height is now 3 meters. I select this. Let me choose this copy. Let me click here and drag this out. We got one more. Now we have two walls. Duplication method also are shown here. ASD is for a shade method. I select any one wall, right click mouse, you can choose properties. Select the wall, right click mouse, properties, or else select the walls, directly you can go to property. Done. In this, I go to edit type. In this dialog box, again I wish to say a duplicate because I'm going to apply metal only for this, not for both wall. Only one wall metal application. So I say duplicate. I say first wall. I say okay. Then structure I say edit. In this you can see there's a thickness. You can set thickness is right now 200. Let it be 100. So thickness you understood how to set now. And also in material you can go to by category here. I want to apply some material like a brick, some masonry, or some stone cladding, some wooden cladding, something like that. I click on this. Once I click on the by category, you can see, you can recognize here a small square here, one more button here, small button. You click on that button. So now we are entering to material world. We are entering to material world. So in this material panel, you can, or we can choose the options, what's available there. You can see that air, aluminum, so many, the blue color, brick, carpet, asphalt, ceiling, floor, massing, stone, door, glass, gypsum, plastic. So many varieties are there in this. So quick recognition, I click here to quickly identify. I go back to masonry here. Yeah, masonry, one option is available here. Bricks, if I click on this, that got here, go to appearance, that is this brick pattern here. You can see that. Graphics, you can see the surface pattern, cut pattern or shading is available. Let this only applicable. This we are going to apply this masonry pattern. I say straight away okay. Again I say okay. Again I say okay and close the panel. Click down. But still it looks like something graphics, not realistic. So how to get realistic is in the bottom side of the cursor here it is. In bottom side of the view navigator, click on visual style and choose a realistic here. Done. When I zoom in this, the metal you can see this is the brick pattern applied for this single wall. But the thing is, so many things what we can discuss on this is pattern is very small size that I can resize, and also the pattern is applied all over the wall. Left side, right side, top side, bottom side, front side, back side. Complete, all the 6 phases applied. Suppose if at all you want a different metal for different phases, that I'll teach you in few moments. Okay, that we'll see for this example. Now first, before that, how to resize this now, that we'll see. Brick pattern resizes. Again, I go back to select this, go back to property panel, in this edit type, again structure edit, in the brick pattern here, click on this, click the small button. The brick pattern what we applied is here now. Double click on this image, here it is. Double click on this image, so we will get one more panel. In this I can set brightness, position, scale options are there. Let me increase the scale. This is a 101 mm. Let me say this to almost all 3000 at least. I'm going to say increase 3000 mm. Okay, let me say done. Let me say apply. Okay. Okay, now you can see brick size got increased. So similar way, any pattern, either wooden or any tiles, you can increase or decrease the size method. Okay, now I'm going to apply. The next method is interior wall is different color, external is different material. I wanted to apply different materials, interior different material, external different material. For this wall, let us see, select this wall, right click mouse, properties, again go back to here, edit type. In this, better duplicate. I say now second wall. Okay, I say done. Now here in this, I go to structure. In this, please note that this wall thickness is now 200 mm, but external plastering for external, plastering for internal, we can apply with a few thickness, and we need to assign different materials. For example, I say now for insert, I say one more thing is inserted, one more slot inserted, again as an insert, one more thing is inserted now. Now this I'll say 10 mm. Enter. Structure serial number 3, 2 has been set for 10 mm thickness. This is thickness slot here. For 3 also I'll set for 10 mm thickness. Enter. Then this fourth one I'll bring in between 10, this bottom 10, top 10. I say up and down, up or down. Up matlab this row is moved up. Now this is 10 mm, after that 200 mm, after that 10 mm. Means 200 is fixed in between the two plasterings. So 200 is a wall thickness, external plastering is 10 mm, interior plastering is 10 mm. All material is not yet applied, the gray default color is there. Let me click on this by category. The same process what we applied for brick. Similarly, we are going to apply different material for this 10 mm and different material for this 10 mm. Let me choose like this. By category, click on small button to enter the metal word. Now this time I take totally different metals here. Let me go back to list. Different metals here. Let me check out this. Wood I'll say. Okay, this wood I'll select here. In appearance, this is the wood appearance. So one external part, I say okay. Applied. Now this side, the bottom side, I click here. Again, the same application method what we did in the previous. Now this time again I click here, I go back to wood. Now this time I take different material, cherry wood here. I go to appearance, that is this, or might be sash. Yeah, this is the softwood. Okay, I say I've selected softwood. I say okay. Please note that this 10 mm is a different material, this 10 mm is a different material. I say okay, okay, close panel, click outside. Please make sure that here it is selected with realistic. If I zoom in this, you can see that wooden texture, you can see that here, wooden texture, right? That you can set, you know how to set that now. Now, if I go to orbit, and if you say this is different pattern, you can see this is different pattern, right? So both you can set that, you know how to set that now. But again, I'll show that. Let us have one more glance on this. Select this wall, go to properties, go back to edit type. In this structure edit, in this first one, 10 mm, that is a door panel, click on the small button. Yes, you're going to get the same panel. The door here, go to appearance and double click on this image. Double click on this image. And this we need to set a scale here. Let it be at least scale is about 2000. Enter. I say done. I say apply. I say okay. Again, I do the same exercise here to the second 10 mm. That is in the serial number 4 here. You can see that softwood. Click on the small button. Yeah, go back to appearance here. Double click on the image. Scale, let it be 2500. Since the link chain is on there, vice versa, proportionality will change the width wise, height wise. I said done, apply, okay, again okay, apply, again okay, close the panel. Now I can see the clear, okay, pattern got enlarged. Okay, so this is what how we get it, different patterns, different on the different side of the wall. So here you can see that, right? One more thing, once you select this wall, go to properties, go back to edit, go back to structure edit. Here whatever we have set here, no, that you can see from here also, the preview here. This you can see it from preview. Once I click on preview, you can see that this 200 mm is this center gray portion here. Top set 10 mm is this top set 10 mm. Bottom set 10 mm is this mm. This is what the plastering for the wall. You can see the plastering for the wall here. You can move this and you can zoom this and check out. So I'm going to say this one. This is 10 mm, this is 200 mm, and this is again 10 mm. Finally, I click OK and I finish all this. Close on this. Okay. Right click, zoom to fit here. I click outside. So today's topic got completed. I hope you enjoyed this session and gained a good skill. Have a nice day.